Oh yeah, we out here riding dirt bikes today, boys.
Well, just received a 3-day challenge from the homies. The ride I said I have coming up to 21st, which this will be after that when you see this. I had this bike all set up for some dual sporting. Come to find out, we may be doing strictly woods riding. So I'm gonna try to finish this bike in a couple of days. The challenge isn't for me so much as it is for getting the parts. Ordered them today from Western Power Sports, and one wasn't in PA where I'm located. So hopefully I have a silencer by Friday, so I can get it on, and let's see what happens. Okay, so here's where we're at. Like I said, it's Wednesday. I need to have this ready by Friday. So we got, of course, this tire shot. I do need front wheel bearings. They're on order. Got this all on. Got a nut. There's a lot of strip things and things I would have to show you that would take a long time. But like this tank bolt is stripped, so I actually put a nut on the back of it right there. I don't have the right strap for this. Boom, zip tie, holding it on. Got my carb vents on. I know that's not how they're routed factory, but at least it has carb vents now. Found this hose for that vent. Gonna find something to work maybe tomorrow for this vent. Ascent should be ready to go. I mean, yeah, it's not the best tire or whatever. There's like I said, there's a lot of little things I know went bad on this. Like this will have to be nutted. You see, I didn't do this. Got it like that. Kind of melted this nut in here tonight, hoping it'll hold, at least hold the plastic on, because this is still good. I don't know if it goes to here or not too. I'll have to see when I get the plastic kit. But that's where I'm at right now, so I'll catch up with you in a day or two. I did put this, and now these are obviously loose because I got to get grips. I'll put this back on the right side. If you watched the first video on this bike, I have it over there. And it's not completely broken the way LA Sleeves wants you to do it, but I've been watching so many other videos that are like, yeah, don't do that. So we'll see what happens, and I'll let you know how I end up actually kind of breaking it in. What's up, everyone? November 21st, headed out to do some riding. Got the RM in the back, and we're gonna see how she does today. She's all back together. Didn't even ride yet. Changed of plans. A lot of people hunting. Game Commission was already talking to these guys, so we're gonna go to Switchback, and I've never been to a track on a bike, let alone Switchback, so that should be decent. Pulling up to the track.
Oh yeah, we out here riding dirt bikes today, boys.
Pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah. How about you?
Pretty good, man. Yeah. Are you keep pretty busy, or is it pretty boring, or what?
I've been keeping busy. We stayed open during all the shutdown and stuff. Being agricultural, we sell tractors now. So, yeah.
Colorado, I feel semi-god. And then I come here, I'm like, I can't do this.
It looks like, did they just blow over? Are they all blowovers? Black Betty had a child, bam blam. James Donaghy gone wild. That's the it. That's the hit. That's the line. Watch out, James. I fell in that stupid little easy hill. I was the only one that didn't make it.
You didn't make it.
At the beginning.
Yeah. I hit this, I'm not 125, dude. I'm not.
Yeah, you got to.
I'm used to torque, and I was like, yo, look at the deer walking the doe. Yo, look at the deer walking the doe. way.
Where were you?
Dude, you smoked me.
All right, we'll do it again. That's fun.
Yeah. I stalled in that heavy mud. Once you come the whole way down in, stalled, I was
Like the drop down.
yeah.
That sucks.
Well, the RM got finished and made it through its first ride yesterday. The only, what's the word I'm looking for? The only thing I know I broke is I lost my rear brake. So I got to see if it's just boiled and working today or if I just got to re-bleed it. Doesn't look like it's leaking, but I'm about to find out. I don't know if I'll film it or not, but.
One spliff a day, I keep the evil away.